Welcome to our channel. Let's bake ragi cookies at home. So our ingredients are wheat flour, ragi flour, melted butter, some dry fruits and baking powder. We begin with wheat flour and ragi flour. Ragi, also known as the king of millets. Then we add a pinch of salt, chopped dates, desiccated coconut powder. Ragi is great for strong bones, better digestion, and boosting energy. A bit of baking powder goes in. And ground crystal sugar, natural and healing ingredients. Followed by melted butter. Ragi, also known as the king of millets, is packed with calcium, iron and fiber. It's gluten-free, improves digestion, balances blood sugar and truly strengthens the body from within. We mix it all gently and pour in milk slowly, just enough to bring it together. Few drops of vanilla essence and it's ready to shape. I shape each cookie by hand and place them on a tray lined with butter paper. Ragi keeps you full, supports weight balance and is perfect for women, children and the elderly. These ragi cookies are more than a snack. They are a step towards freedom from packaged food. A return to Earth's gifts. Subscribe to Neev Community for more mindful and soulful living. A sprinkle of desiccated coconut powder on top and they're ready to bake. We bake them gently in a warm oven until they turn crisp and aromatic. No preservatives, no plastic. No hidden ingredients, just pure nourishment. Once cooled, I store them in a clean glass jar. Thank you for watching. Stay connected for more such videos.